Hey fam, it's your mentor Josawa here again with another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to basically guide you on how to do copy trading on the BYBIT exchange. Alright, the process is very easy. I'm going to take you step by step. If you basically don't have a BYBIT account, you can ensure to use the link in the description to create and verify your account. Check my BYBIT playlist, alright, to basically create, verify your account, and also I have other videos that basically going to show you how to deposit and how to withdraw from the BYBIT exchange. So now to do the copy trading, I'm assuming you now have your BYBIT account, okay? So you are going to look at this option. You see BYBIT and invite friends, reward hub, copy trading. You are seeing this copy trading, all right? You are seeing trading bots, launch pad, and that of more. So in some situation, probably you might not see the copy trading like where mine is currently here. So you just come to more, all right? When you come to more, all you basically need to do is go to the chat and just type copy trading. So we have two, all right? You have the copy trading where you see this hot, you have copy trading pro. These are like advanced. We'll come to that. So you just tap this copy trading, then you are going to arrive at what this particular section, all right? BYBIT copy trading. I'm going to explain this step by step. Even if you are a beginner, you are going to understand this. So now let's say you are here. The first thing you are going to do, you see BYBIT copy trading, you are seeing my trade. So if you tab here, this section is going to basically like show you all the details of what the traders which you are copying. Okay, so this is total equity, available balance, margin, unrealized profit. That is what when you have an open position, if you are basically copying someone. Copy trading basically means like you copy what a master trader, all right? A professional trader will be trading and you just what copy their trades. You have nothing to do. All right, so I will show you how to copy trade from here. So we have what we call unrealized profit. That is when you have like a position open, a trade ongoing. You are going to see positive, negative, and all. When you close, it's going to be what realized profit. Okay, realized profit, which means you have basically closed the trade. So you see the dashboard. Currently, I'm not copying anyone. That's why you are seeing this empty. You have master trader, trade bots, and all this area is currently empty. So I'll come back to this next area and you are just going to see join as a trader. So let's say now you want to, like you are a professional, you want to basically offer copy trading. You just tap this particular area. So you just agree, agreement confirmation, and you just submit your information. All right, so you just read all this stuff and you just press I have understood and agree to the above agreement, and just go ahead for they will ask for your details and want to other information. Then you also have like apply to become a pro trader. For that, I will not advise you currently. I'm just going to show you in this particular video how to copy trade. So you have copy trade pro here. So I'll just go down. One thing that is good about BYBIT copy trading is like you have like different category, which is like very easy for you to what copy trade of what different professional. You can basically see top traders by ROI. ROI basically means return on investment. Okay, let's say you have like what your $50, you want to start copy trading with $50. Let's say from the $50 you copy the trader, you are now making $25 and all. These are traders that are making what the highest investment. Okay, traders that have earned the highest return of investment in the past 7 days. Okay, so if you just like you are seeing what this different section here. So this one category of traders, you can press the more. We'll come to that. You have the next type of traders that are top balance traders. So these are basically traders with what that balance their profits. Okay, they basically make profits and also know how to basically risk. Okay, they try to manage their risk well. They don't basically risk like the entire account or risk your fund. You have top new talent. These are new traders that are doing very well in the space, okay, that are making what a whole lot of profit and with little drawdown. Drawdown basically means like you are losing money but they are not losing that much. You have these boosted traders as well. You have traders with the highest profit for followers. These are traders that basically like when you invest in them, you follow them, you copy their trade, they basically what make high return for you, high profit for you. Okay, so these are all of this. You have lowest drawdown. This lowest drawdown, these are basically like traders that basically make like what the minimum loss. Okay, they don't lose money that much. Okay, they don't have like lot of like what losing trade. They basically like lose trade, but not that much. Let's say out of the account is going to be like maybe 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. While you can see other traders that basically have like what 15, 20, 30, 40%, like what for the past 7 days, the past 30 days, the past 90 days. That's why you are seeing lowest drawdown. Yeah, then we have top intraday traders again and a whole lot more. So I'll come back to the top here and I'll explain one after the other. So let's say now you have top traders by ROI. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the one that I will basically recommend for you to be doing, and you are going to also learn how to copy my trade. I'm going to start offering copy trading services on the BYBIT exchange. Okay, so now top traders by ROI. So let's say you just open like this, you just look for a trader here. Let's say you want to start with this. So when you basically click here, it's going to give you all the detail about this particular trader. So I'll explain one after the other. This is Cortex. Okay, you have this AUM. All right, that is what the asset order management. Okay, asset under management, that is the total fund this particular people, like the people that are copying the trade of this guy. All right, so this is 91,802.89 USDT. All right, so about 91,000, almost 92,000. So now you are seeing your profit sharing 10%. This basically means like whenever you try to copy this trade, which I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you shortly. If you copy the trade of this guy, whenever like what there is a profitable trade, okay, let's say you put your $50 and basically you made like what another $50 or so, like from the profit, not from your initial investments, from your profit, the trader is going to get 10% of that profit. Okay, so this is the amount of followers. You are seeing 174 people are following this trader Cortex. This trading, Cortex have basically been trading for 34 days. Okay, this is the stability like index. So this basically like when you are using advanced analytics and how well the trader is dealing with volatility. So now you come down here. For you to look at, you go to overview. Okay, you are basically going to look at the performance of this guy. Okay, so you can see arrow at this particular point. You see 7. This is for 7 days. If you want to see the performance of this particular trader for the past 7 days, you have 30 days, 90 days. So let's start with the past 7 days. So ROI, this trader have been able to make 931%. Okay, from what his were trading. The master P&L, that is the profit and loss here. Like the profit is plus 9,400. Okay, 405. As you are seeing here, the win rate is 100%. The win rate is 100%, which means like this trader, he or she has basically won all the trade, his or her trade. Okay, so you see the maximum go down, which means you have not lost any trade for the past 7 days. All right, he or she has not lost any trade. So you can even go that you see win, right? 55 trade. You took he or she took 55 trade. All right, you won all. Lose trade, you see 0. You can just click for more. The weekly trades, they basically takes he or she takes about 55 to trades a week, and he holds this trade basically for like 19 minutes. So this kind of trader, like scalpers, okay, take like enter within like 15-20 minutes, 1 hour, just close the trade. This is the volatility, and the last time he traded, you can basically see from here the last traded time. Okay, so you can basically go look at the chart and everything. You are just going to see, if you want to see for the past 30 days, you just select again. Yeah, all right, you just basically select here again. So for the past 30 days, he has entered 55 trades. You just lose 5 trades, which is like good. You go to the last 90 days as well. You are basically going to see like everything. Took 55 trades, lost 23 or so. So we go back to the 1 week. So after that, you can come to trade, but this trader has does not allow people that are not following him or like to basically see this trading stuff and all. So you can basically see, you come to this followers area. Yeah, so these are the people that are currently copying the trade of this particular guy. So they deposit like a CD deposit 771. All right, dollars. So currently, after copying this trade, he has been copying the trade of this particular trader for the past 4 days. You see from here, from the past 4 days. All right, from the past 4 days, and he or she has been able to make plus 2,900 and 2,294. So you see like different profit. So now I'm going to show you how to copy. Let's say you want to basically copy the trade of what this cortex fellow. You look at the bottom, you are seeing here copy. All right, in some situations you are going to see like full. That means you can't be able to copy that particular trader except you have to what join the wait list. So for now you have like what 76 slots left. Okay, 76 slots, so which means like 76 people can basically copy the trade of this particular guy. So let's try to say we are going to copy this one. So you press what copy. Okay, when you basically press copy, what is basically going to happen, you are going to see investment. That is the amount of money which you can basically start with. The minimum is what $50. So if you have like $10, $20, $30, $40, $49, you cannot copy this. I think this is the minimum for even BYBIT. Okay, so you need to have $50 for you to start copying the trade of this. So let's say now, as you can see from the bottom, I have $106. If I basically want to copy this guy, I'll just enter. Let's say I just want to invest $50 out of what my $100. So after I've just basically like what enter this $50, okay, then you are going to come down to what more setting. You tap this more setting area. So this is basically where you can just do a whole lot of what other setting. So you have the copy mode. We have two modes, smart copy mode. Okay, so this trader only allows you to what smart copy mode is basically a mode wherein like the trader, the master trader, this guy cortex is going to be, he or she is going to be the one to what arrange your leverage, arrange stop loss, arrange take profit. You just basically want to follow all what he or she is what doing. Okay, so that's what we mean by smart copying mode. We are going to look now. So for this one, we can't basically do anything. All right, you just need to leave the mode like this. You come to margin. Okay, you say follow master trader. Also, that's how this particular one also have set. Like the margin is for the amount of money which you put to enter a trade. Let's say now for this $50, I'm saying like, okay, I want to basically put what $10 per trade. Okay, $10 per trade. So you have the maximum position margin per contract. Okay, so you can basically like what if you are enable this setting and the master trader position margin a particular contract which is USD, you automatically stop copying this. So how much basically like do you want to invest, how many USDT? All right, the maximum position margin per contract. Let's say you just want to put like what 5 USDT as well. This is your daily limit. Okay, like let's say now you have like what $50. You are saying, okay, I'll copy this particular trader, let's say 20 USDT per day. When you reach 20 USDT, you are going to stop copying this trader till what the next day again. So these are all other stuff here. All right, these are all other stuff here basically. Then you come down to the bottom, you say choose a contract. Let's say now you basically want to like, okay, this trader basically like stop this, so we need to look for another trader that's going to give us a whole lot so I can explain to you guys more. So let's say we'll go to this fellow. This one has like 19 followers, trading days 137. So and all this stuff you can see, you can basically check this. But now we have 231 slots free. So let's say we want to copy this one. For this one we can't copy this one because you can see from here the minimum what is $500. So let's go ahead and look for someone we can basically copy. Okay, let's say this interest vault. Okay, you tab here. This guy have been trading just new. All right, the total asset all about 1,240 people in 3 days. So let's say we want to copy this guy. You tap copy. All right, so the minimum is what $50. Let's say we enter $50. Okay, after entering the $50, you come to what more setting. So when you come to more setting, you say copy mode. Okay, so you have two types of what the mode here. So you see we have smart mode. Smart mode basically like smart copy mode. Let the master trader manage your portfolio, your risk for you and everything. Okay, like you just whatever the trader is going to do. All right, the one which you are copying the trade from, like if they enter for 2x leverage, you are going to do 2x leverage, 5x, 10x leverage. If they put this and all that, they are going to basically like what decide for you. Then you have like, let's say you don't want to basically, okay, let's start with the smart mode so you guys can see. So now I've selected what the smart mode. The margin mode is like what follow master trader or use course or isolated. What I will advise you to do is like what follow, all right, the master trader. Then maximum position per position margin. Okay, like how much do you want to basically risk per trade? trader recommended value. So let's say you want to basically put, like, for each trade, all right, you are going to copy this particular trader, you put what, $10, okay? But I will advise you just ignore this, you leave this empty. All right, leave this empty. Maximum daily position limit, let's say you basically want to, how many position do you want to enter per day? Let's say you say 2 or 3, so I want you to also leave this empty. All right, let's say the trader is going to open like 5-10 position. Out of the 5, you basically want to copy the trader 2. Okay, that's what this basically means. This top loss, okay, you are saying out of this your $50, if you are down what, 10%, you want to close what, the trade. Okay, you basically want to close. So I don't want you to set all this, your take profit and all. Just forget about all these ones. Okay, forget about all these ones. Then you come to the bottom where you say choose a contract, where you see total of 255 contract. What does this mean? This basically means, let's say now the trader is basically trading different what, cryptos and all, like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Shiba, and all this other stuff. You are saying you only want to follow this trader, all right, if this trader is basically what, trading Bitcoin. Okay, or let's say you don't want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum because it is very volatile. You just check out this tick, then you just press confirm. Okay, or you can just add them and you what, just untick all these other ones. Okay, let's say you only want to basically take the trade of Bitcoin and Ethereum from this trader. Probably you have noticed like this trader is doing more win when it comes to like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay, or it's like he or she is losing. So let's say we'll just select all, and at the end of the day you are going to say what, copy. Okay, let's say we want to basically like what, copy. You just press copy now. So now what have you noticed? We have basically what, copied this particular trader. So now whenever this trader basically what, open a new position, okay, a new trade, then whenever he's going to make profit, he or she is going to make profit, I'm going to make profit. If they are going to lose also, I'm also going to what, lose. Okay, this is basically what we mean by what, copy trading. I'll come toward the advanced mode to show you guys more. All right, that is where you can make more advanced setting. So let's say now you want to basically what, unfollow this particular trader. You just come to what, this particular area, you see unfollowing. All right, you just come to this one, you click here. All right, then you can just what, unfollow. I'll go back. You see where you are saying the trader current copy trade. All right, if you just tab here, all right, then you are going to see unfollow. Okay, so you can just basically what, just do unfollow. But let's say now you can basically see like the available amount is $50. Your margin, your what, unrealized profit, that is what, open position. If the trader is currently making profit, you are going to basically see everything. You can basically like what, unfollow at any time. So when you say unfollow, they are going to ask you exit immediately at the current market price. Let's say now you are following, the trader is currently trading, you want to basically close at this particular moment your profit and everything, or terminate all. But whether you are using bots and all, I'm not in support of this trading bot stuff. So you just type in confirm. So cancel successfully, you see, right? We have cancelled what, this trade, we have unfollowed, right? We are not copying this trader anymore. All right, we are not copying this trader anymore. So let's say now we want to use the advanced setting. The advanced setting is basically wherein you are going to set what, your stop loss and other stuff. You are not going to follow that of the trader. So let's use this same guy again. You come to copy. All right, then after you have pressed copy, you enter the amount, 50 USD. Okay, so after you have entered this one, then we are good to go. You tab in what, you come to more. Okay, when you basically come to more, you look at what, copy mode. So one thing you must know, some basically allow you to just take your decision whether you want to copy, you want them to manage your risk, or you basically want to manage your own risk. Okay, so you just type your smart copy mode. So it's up to you to decide. If you want the trader to basically like what, take the decision on your behalf, you can basically just leave it to smart copy mode and you just copy. But now let's say you want to set a fixed order cost. You come to advance, you confirm. So now after you have selected what, advance, now you need to pay attention. You see copy mode is now advanced copy mode, right? Fixed margin. What do we mean? Now if the trader is going to, for example, enter for a trade, let's say the first trade is what, Bitcoin. Whenever you want to copy the guy, the trader, okay, or the lady, you just enter. Let's say you want to put what, 10 USD. Okay, which means you are basically going to what, copy the trade using just $10 per trade. So even if the guy enter what, this is fixed margin. Okay, so each trade you are going to copy from this guy is going to be like $10. If you want to put what you can put $15, but this is from $10 to $50. So let's say you want to use $15. Okay, so you can basically what, just use what, $15. So which means your available balance is sufficient to support multiple 4 trades. Okay, 4 days open position. Hope you are grabbing this concept. So this is what, let's say we have put what, 15. Then the leverage setting. Leverage is what, fund that is being borrowed to you by the exchange, by BYBIT. Okay, follow the trader's leverage. Let's say you don't want to follow the leverage of the trader. Let's say the trader is using very high leverage of one, like 50, 25 or so. You come here, you can either follow the trader's leverage, okay, which means you have nothing to do, or you put what, fixed leverage. So when we say fixed leverage, it's like, now let's say we want to use what, 4. If you don't know what a leverage is, look my crypto or forex for beginner. Okay, so let's keep it like this. Okay, let's just keep it like something random. Hope you guys are grabbing just the concept. So let's say we want to put 4.90. You can just do this, or you have custom leverage. Custom leverage is basically like, let's say now you only want to follow, you want to copy trade from this particular trader for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you are saying, okay, for Bitcoin, let me just set what leverage. You say leverage of 10. Okay, for Ethereum, let me set what leverage of 5. For this order, let's say you just want to follow for these 2 pairs. Okay, then you can just what, go ahead, confirm. But this fixed leverage now does basically go for all what, pairs. Okay, this one basically go for all what, your pairs. This one go for all the pairs. So let's say we want to basically set our own leverage for each trade. Okay, so even if the trader is using leverage of 1:50 and all, this is your leverage which you are going to use. You go to confirm. Okay, so you have set what, your fixed leverage. So margin mode. Okay, the margin mode, I will advise you say follow master trader what setting, because we have like what, the cross margin and the isolated margin. So if you don't know what is cross and isolated margin, I will advise you basically watch my video as well, my BYBIT playlist. You can basically see all this stuff there. I have a lot of videos that I've done in the past about BYBIT. Okay, so follow master trading setting, play maximum position margin. Okay, so now what is the margin per contract? So you can still put what, $10 or $15. Okay, so it should be what, 15. We have entered 15. All right, so like this. So now you say maximum daily position limit. All right, maximum daily position limit. Let's say you want to basically just enter copy from this trader like what, 2 or 3. All right, you can just enter your stop loss. You can set your stop loss for yourself. If you're out of this $50, maybe you just what, you are down 10%, then you want to go out of the trade, you take profit and what, the copy stop loss. Again, you can enter the value if you want, but I'll advise you, in order for you to avoid all this headache and all, because what you are going to notice, like what, the particular trader, okay, the master trader is going to be in profit while you are going to be at loss. Why? Because of your setting. So to avoid all this, we just enter your 50. All right, then at the end of the day, you go to what, more setting. When you go to more setting, allow this to be smart copy mode, which means you follow the trader. Okay, you follow the master trader, because like sometimes the reason why you are not making profit from this particular copy trading is like what, your setting is different from that of the trader. Okay, your master trader. So after you have basically done this, now you can basically just what, go ahead and what, copy. All right, you can basically just what, go ahead and copy. So whenever this trader basically enter, all right, we are going to just what, whenever you open it, we are automatically going to copy. Whenever you want to unfollow, you just what, unfollow like this. Okay, you basically just what, unfollow like this. So now you might ask, how are you going to be able to copy my trade? So what I will basically do is like, I will show you guys this, how to copy my trade. So this is the link. You can basically join my Telegram community. Currently, like if you check on BYBIT, I'm not that too visible because I just created this account. Okay, so you just have the link will also be in the description if you want to copy my trade. So this is like what, the name Josao, All right, this is the name. So you can just tap copy here, or if you have created your BYBIT account, you just tap the app. So this is what Josao. You are going to see my face here, my asset under management coin. No one is copying me and everything. This is just new. The profit, I'll be taking 10% from whatever profit I basically made for you. Okay, you can just get. All right, no followers for now. Trading this to stability. I'm still trying to go. I was just trying to flex here. This is my return on investment, masters P and L. The win rate is like what, 100% and all. So you are not going to see no win, no loss currently, because this account is just like what's new. Okay, and you can even look at what my tickets. Okay, this one is closed. You can just what look at what the pair that I basically trade, Ethereum. Okay, this is just what Ethereum and also you are also going to see my followers here, those that are going to basically follow me. Let's now, I have about 1,100 slots available. I might reduce this one. Okay, so you just come here to copy. When you come to copy, you just enter the amount 50. All right, you just enter this what 50, then you go to what more setting. Ensure that the copy mode is going to be smart copy mode. Okay, then the margin is what follow master trader setting. Just leave it like that. All right, then all this other area, just leave everything. Okay, all you need to do is like what enter the $50 or what the 100 or whatever the amount you want to basically start what to copy my trade with. At the end of the day, all right, you say smart copy mode, then you just go ahead and tab what copy. All right, you just go ahead and that tab what copy, then you are going to copy me. So whenever I enter a trade, you are basically just what going to what just copy what my trades. Okay, whenever I make profit, we make profit. Whenever I make loss, you make loss. So now, as promised, if in case in the future you just want to copy any trader, all right, apart from me, the best area which you should basically focus on is what the traders with what the lowest drawdown, that are not losing that much. Okay, so you can basically find them here. All right, you just go down, look for what traders with what the lowest drawdown. So like for example, let's check this guy. So you come, this guy have been trading and I have about 601 followers and all. So let's say we want to check out this guy. So 601 followers, 123 days. So you need also like pay attention to the days. Look at the assets under management. That's going to help you like, okay, there is a lot of trust for this particular like trader, 314,000 USD. Okay, then you basically like what just go look at the win and what the lose and everything. Okay, you can basically see more how long does this trader basically hold, like 13 hours. You see, you need to look all this stuff. You look also for the pairs this guy is trading. You can see sheep. These are all the pairs. All right, this particular trade. These are coin trade that are ongoing. Currently, this is down what minus $1. This is minus 42. All right, this is plus 0.96. These ones are all like what negative. So all those that are currently copying the guy, all right, are currently like what in a little loss. Okay, they are just in a little loss, but this trader is what very good. So you can also look for past trades here again. You see all these are what the past trade for this particular trader. So now what you basically need to do, let's say we want to basically like what copy this guy. You just come to what copy. Okay, you enter what the $50. All right, when you enter what the $50, you go to what more, and you just what when you just go to more, then what you just copy. All right, you just what copy. So now currently, let's say I want to copy this trader. So easy like that. So that's the same way you are going to what copy me. All right, or any other trader. So if you want to unfollow, you can what unfollow at any time. Okay, you want to follow, you can unfollow this trader at any time. All right, so you might also want to ask a question: how do I deposit fund in this my particular account? Or you firstly, how do you see the performance of your trade, that the traders which you are following? Or you come to the top here again, my trades, you are going to see everything here. All right, you are going to basically see everything here. So if you basically want to copy any trade, all right, if you basically want to copy any trade, let's say like for Cortex is demanding for huge amount. This one, okay, let's come to like this. So now you say copy. All right, you can see from funding, how do you deposit fund? So you just select the account where your fund is. Okay, you just select your account from the bottom here. You select funding account. If you, or you select here, there's no money here. So if you are depositing directly, like you are doing P2P, the fund is going to arrive in your funding account. Wherever account it is not a problem. You can just enter the amount. So the minimum is what, $50. You can copy to as high as what, $10,000 when it comes to like new traders like me. All right, and more as you are staying longer, then you basically like increase. So guys, this is basically how to do copy trading on the BYBIT exchange. I believe like I've explained this. If you have any question, ensure to drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you within 24 hours. You can also reach me by Instagram or Facebook at Joseph Say Concept. And if you want to basically join my mentorship, all right, you can also like connect with me. I offer what, mentorship for crypto, forex, and synthetic indices. 1 month mentorship. It is not free. Okay, it is not free. The cost is just $50. So in case you are interested, you can link up with me. You can also only use the link in the description to join my Telegram group. There are a lot of scammers. Don't go to Telegram to check for Joseph Say Concept, okay? Only use the link in the description, and I'll never reach you first to ask you for money. So basically, guys, that's it. Thanks a lot. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.